In this video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth guide showing you how to use folders on the Zen browser. So first of all, let's go ahead and start off with how to make a folder in the first place. But basically, it allows you to organize a bunch of different tabs into one folder. So for example, you could have a folder for work, for example, and then you can go ahead and access it, and that's where all your work-related websites or applications that you use will appear. So what you want to do to make a folder is you want to go to the bottom, press on the plus button over here, and then you're going to see this option that says create folder. Then you can go ahead and give it a name. So let's go ahead and call it work, for example. Then you want to actually press on enter. And now we got the work folder right here. Now it is time to actually add some things inside of the work folder. So you want to press on new tab, and you just want to go ahead and look for websites that you regularly use for work. So let's say, for example, you use AP News for work. Let's go ahead and open up AP News. And now what you want to do is you want to head back over here, then drag the website to the folder. And then it is then going to be underneath the work folder. So we can go ahead and keep on doing this for more websites. Let's say, for example, you also use Wikipedia as part of your work. What you could do is you can go ahead and do that. Then you can drag and drop it here. And now we have these websites. And you can go ahead and collapse the folder over here and honestly really make it your own. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and collapse this folder. If you want to go ahead and change it, then what you need to do is you want to right click on it. You can do things like rename the folder if you want. You could also go ahead and change the icon of the folder. You could also unload all the tabs. You can create a new subfolder. You can change the space. You can convert folder to a space, which is incredibly cool. You can delete it from here. So thankfully, Zen Browser does make the folder mechanics relatively straightforward. So you guys are able to go ahead and use this to optimize and organize your work. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.